probably, you know, the most transparent brand out there in the world. Why did you take that stance of really like disclosing everything that is in your clothes, not only the fabric, but like, you know, we're talking about fabrics, but there's a lot more in garments than just the fabric. So why did you take that stance of disclosing everything and opening up your supply chain?
I think when I first started the journey, I had this idea to create a really different sort of company, and it was very much about the values and the culture. And then I started doing a lot of research into the sustainability side of things, and I realized it wasn't as simple as just being about fabrics. It went so much deeper than that. And I am a kind of all or nothing kind of gal, so I kind of went really extreme, and I was like, oh, I can't even use polyester thread. Like I can't use buttons. I can't use zippers. And I kind of went full extreme. And then it kind of became this, like, I guess, battle of like, oh, I'm going to have to make design sacrifices because of these things. And to kind of hold ourselves accountable to that mission, we decided to have a fully transparent company and be literally an open book, one for the education side, which I mentioned before, but also so that we didn't just kind of cut corners down the track when it was all getting too hard, because we all know that that happens. And so it's been like a self accountability more than anything, really. And I think it's great. I think more businesses should do that, and businesses shouldn't create products that they don't want to take responsibility for. I think that's just the simple truth of it.